Hi everybody, it's the Retro Yuki once again, giving you guys another Mudae bot tutorial. If this is your first time here to the channel, I am working on making this a Discord bot tutorial channel. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share the video, and tell your friends about the channel so they can learn about some Mudae bots too. I'm also just starting the Rin bot tutorial, and pretty soon the Any bot is coming soon. Today we're going to be talking about how to play the Pokemon slot game on the Mudae game. It's called the Rocket Casino in technical terms. So I would like to go over some of the commands that we need to go over. So the most common command, ladies and gentlemen, is the P command. Or the Pokemon command. That's how you play the game. So $P. So we use $P. We can get some Pokemon. As you guys can see, I do have a Pokemon. I got no idea what Pokemon is this, but you're gonna get a Pokemon. And you can tell if you got a Pokemon if you have a bell here. If you have the bell icon, then you got a Pokemon. If you did not get a bell, then you don't get anything. And it's like playing slot machine. It's exactly like a slot machine. You have to get the 3 of the same Pokemon to get that Pokemon. So I got this one, whatever this is. Okay? If you get an X, you get nothing. Okay? To check your Pokedex, ladies and gentlemen, this $sign Pokedex, and you will see what you have. Now keep in mind, if you have been a Mudae player for a while, then these are not included with the Tano Snap. That's completely different. That's for the regular Mudae game. So your Pokemon are safe from a Tano Snap. Therefore, if you bring the Mudae bot to another server and you still play the game on another server, your Pokemon are okay. Right? Now, this next command is called shinyhunt. Shinyhunt allows you to have a chance to hunt a shiny Pokemon. Now let's go $shinyhunt. I will explain how this works. Okay? So right now I'm hunting for a shiny Shinx. Now the way this works is every time you play the Pokemon Casino game or the Pokemon Slot Machine game, if you can get a shiny, if you get a Shinx and you get them, then you get a chain. Okay. Now that chain will allow you to have another chance to get more of a chance to get a shiny Shinx. Okay, but you still have to play. It's like getting a key in the regular Mudae game for a character, but with Pokemon it's much more efficient because you only have to get 898. Okay, there's only 898 Pokemon. Okay, so that's how you do it. You put shiny hunt and a Pokemon name. Whatever Pokemon name you choose, that is the one you're going for the shiny. Keep in mind you cannot use more than one Pokemon for shiny. Okay. Now if you want to do another Pokemon for another hunt, you just put S8 none. Okay. Or shiny hunt none. Okay. Our next one is called release. $sign release. And what's going to happen is you're going to choose 2 Pokemon that you do not like. And what's going to happen is for every 2 Pokemon that you do not like and you want to trade in quotation mark, you can get another roll. Okay? For example, let's say $sign release. And I do not want Noctowl. And I do not want Magikarp. Okay, I think that's an IKARP. There we go. There we go. 2 Pokemon were given back in exchange for 1 Pokemon roll. So let's say I did not like, let's say I do not like, for example, $sign release Axew and let's say a Paras. Paras. So I got another roll. Now, keep in mind that each time you trade 2 in, you get 1 roll. technically speaking, for every when you roll, you have to wait every hour. It's just like in the Mudae game. Excuse me, every 1 hour to roll. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, now that we know how to do release, auto release is a different story. However, notice how I have two Noctus in here, an ATU, and I have, I believe, another double here. I have two Magikarps, and I have, well, I only have one because I released it, and two Sundials. What's going to happen is with auto release, it's going to automatically release the doubles. Okay, so let's do that now. $ auto release. Okay, so there were 4 Pokemon given back because of doubles. Okay, so I actually get 2 more rolls for that because for every 2 you get 1 extra roll. Therefore, I have 4. Now, let's go on to another command called pokelike. Okay, now pokelike is something similar to the Mudae game's regular Wisp Protect, except in this case you don't have to use the loot system. All you have to do is choose a Pokemon that you like. Let's say let's say I like Shinx. So pokelike SHINX. And what's going to happen is, let's say you do an auto release, but you have 2 Shinx. But because you put pokelike Shinx, that Pokemon is therefore protected from a from a from a from a auto release. It's like saying from a Thanos snap in the regular game. Okay. Now that's for pokelike. Now let's talk about another command called Poke Profile. Poke Profile is similar to using the word profile, except it's only for the Pokemon portion of the Mudae game. Okay, oh, that's why. Okay, you can put, okay, well, you can put Pokemon on your profile for the profile in the Mudae game. You can display up to 12. So, for example, Poke Profile, and let's say I want to show off my Shinx and my, let's say, for example, Doodle, or I got no idea. Doodle, I think that's how you say it. I don't Doodle, Doodle, I think that's how you pronounce it. So what's gonna happen now is if you put $profile, it is I forgot to allow that command. But if you do $profile after I officially open it, you should see this. There we go. So what we have here, now you may have noticed this because that's from the regular Mudae game. However, below that you have the Shinx and the Doodle for the Pokemon. Okay? And then you have anything else that you earn in the regular Mudae game, okay? So that's how the profile works when you add the Poke Profile command, okay? The next set of commands is the sorting commands. Let's take a look at this. $Poke sort. And let's take a look at, that's why. Sort PKMN. So what you have to do is the sort PKMN is going to be the name of the Pokemon, then the name of the Pokemon, then the name of the Pokemon. Okay? You can also sort by different flags, okay? So let's just say, for example, $sort Pokemon sortpkmn ABC. So it's going to sort the Pokemon in your Pokedex. Oops. Pokedex by ABC order, as you guys can see here. Alright, so that's what we have for that. So my thing should be in the last page. At least what I think, yeah. There we go. There's a Sinky. So that's what we have for the sort. Okay? In other news, before we leave this tutorial, I would like to tell you guys that the Mudae game has released Generation 8 of the Pokemon. So if we take a look at the newest update from the Mudae game, in terms of Mudae world, you notice that there are new Pokemon in play from the game, okay? So as you can see, update info Gen 8. That's all for today's tutorial, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. Next time, we're going to go over some multiplayer games for the Mudae game. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy and have a great day.